Mastercard gift cards that show already used usually mean the balance was already redeemed. The card details were used by someone else, or the card issuer needs to investigate the transaction. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why a Mastercard gift card says it was already used and what steps to take to resolve the issue. Start by checking the card balance using the website or customer service number printed on the back of the Mastercard gift card. This shows whether the card still has available funds and whether transactions have already occurred. If the balance is zero, review the transaction history if the issuer provides that option. Look for the date, amount, and merchant details connected to the card usage. If you see a transaction you do not recognize, contact the Mastercard gift card issuer directly. The company that issued the card manages balance disputes and can review the card activity. Have your gift card number, purchase receipt, activation information, and any transaction details ready before contacting support. These details help verify that you are the card owner. If you received the card from someone else, ask the purchaser whether they activated or used the card before giving it to you. A gift card that has already been redeemed cannot be reused. If you purchase the Mastercard gift card from a store, keep the receipt. The retailer receipt can help confirm when the card was purchased and activated. If you purchase the card online, save the order confirmation and seller information. These records can help identify the correct company to contact. Avoid posting your Mastercard gift card number, expiration date, or security code online. Someone with those details may be able to access the remaining balance. If the card showed already used immediately after purchase, contact both the retailer and the card issuer. The retailer can confirm the purchase, while the issuer can review the card status. Do not throw away the packaging or a receipt until the issue is resolved. The information on the original materials may be needed during the investigation. To recap, check the balance, review the card activity, keep your purchase records, and contact the issuer if you did not authorize the transaction. Your next step is to use the support number on the back of the card and provide the purchase details they request. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other gift card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.